Here is how to use a voltmeter. The instructions work for any meter, but this is the one that we use here in class. The big fat V says voltmeter. Notice that there are two ranges, the upper range to 15, the lower range to 5, and the connector is down at the bottom. The black one is negative, and there are two positives, one for the 5 volt range at the bottom, one for the 15 volt range. That's the device. Some definitions are important. First, voltage is electric potential difference. Synonyms, and both of them are defined as the energy difference, or the energy change, or the energy loss, or the energy gain per coulomb between 2 points. And that is why we measure voltage this way. The voltmeter requires 2 leads. One is positive, one is negative. The negative always goes to the black, and there are 2 possibilities for the positive. One that has a maximum range of 15 volts, that's the one you generally start with. One that has the maximum range of 5 volts, which if it's below 5, you can move it down to that. There's 2 different ways to connect it to these, either through the top or on the side. Remembering that definition, that voltage is the energy difference per coulomb between those 2 points, you connect the voltmeter outside the circuit, in parallel between those 2 points. On the left is a battery, on the right is a resistor or a bulb. Let's say you want to measure the voltage across that resistor, the bulb on the right. Just take your 2 leads of the voltmeter, reach in and connect to the 2 sides of that portion of the circuit. Voltmeter stays outside the circuit, take the 2 leads, reach in, connect to the 2 points. Always link it to the definition, but that's why the voltmeter is always outside. Reach in the 2 leads, touch the 2 points, measure the voltage between those 2 points.